Welcome to the second part of the plant kingdom. In the last lesson, we learned about the different parts of a plant and the life cycle of a plant. Today we will learn about the different kinds of plants in the plant kingdom. The different kinds of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Come on, let us look at how the plants are different from each other. Trees. This is a picture of coconut trees. They are big, tall and strong. They have a strong stem called a trunk and they live for many years. These are the pictures of the rose plant and the jasmine plant. They are examples of shrubs. Shrubs are plants who are smaller than trees. They are bushy, they have thin stem and they live for a few years. This is a tulsi plant. We have tulsi whenever we have cough and cold. A tulsi plant is an example of a herb. Herbs are plants who are smaller than shrubs. They have thin green soft stems and they live for a few months. These are the pictures of the grape plant and the money plant. No. Money plant does not give us real money. They are examples of climbers. Climbers are plants that have very weak stems and they need support to climb. These are the pictures of the watermelon plant and the pumpkin plant. They are examples of creepers. Creepers are plants who have very weak stems and they crawl along the ground. Come, let us put these plants each in the group which they belong to. Let's do this together. Remember the various features of the plants we spoke about earlier in today's lesson? We have to check those to be able to put them in the right group. Let us take a look at the first picture. What do we see? It is a mango tree. So, a tree should be big and it should have strong stems and branches. Does a mango tree have these features? Yes, it does. So, we will put the mango tree under the tree group. This is a picture of a rose plant. A rose plant has soft green stems. It is small and bushy. So, we will put it under the shrub group. Now, we have the apple tree. The apple tree is like the orange tree. They both have strong and hard stems. So, they will fall under the tree group. The following one is a money plant. A money plant has soft green stem and it is very weak. It needs support to climb. So, we will put it under the climber tree group. The grapevine plant too can be put under this group. This is a picture of a jasmine plant. Now, a jasmine plant is like a rose plant. They have soft green stems, are bushy and smaller than trees. So, the jasmine plant will go under the shrub group. This is a picture of a pumpkin plant. Now, a pumpkin plant has very weak stems and it crawls along the ground. So, we will put it under the creeper group. The watermelon plant is also like the pumpkin plant. It also comes under the creeper group. This is a picture of the tulsi plant. Now, a tulsi plant has soft green stem. It is small in size and it lives for a few months. So, we will put it under the herbs group. Now, mint and grass also have the same features. So, can we put them under the same group too? Yes, we can. Fun fact, did you know that bamboo too is a type of grass? Interesting, isn't it? Now let's take a quick recap of all that we have learned in today's lesson. So we know that all plants on land can be divided into 5 groups and they are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Oh, and before I go, here's a little something extra for you to know. There are some plants that are found in water. These are called water plants. A lotus is an example of a water plant. Water plants grow in water. They have big leaves and long stems. Thorny plants are plants with thorns. A cactus is an example of a thorny plant. These plants have spikes, store water in them, and are found in deserts. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the last part of the plant kingdom. That's it for today. Keep learning, keep smiling.